This is a home remedy my grandmother used back in the day to rub on her joints for pain. She usually had a flask filled with dead baby snakes and dead scorpions, and the flask was topped up with white rum. It normally sat on the headboard of her bed, one of those old-time bed with a headboard that's had storage space. I was so afraid of that bottle. She got the baby snakes and scorpions from people who went into the hills to burn coal. She believed the venom in the scorpions and baby snakes could ease pain. I don't know if that really worked or it was just a mind over matter thing. I was a child and I didn't have any pain. And even if I did, she couldn't rub that thing on me. So a lot of people back then was using that thing to rub pain. It's just like going to the pharmacy now to buy over-the-counter rubbings for pain. Back then, they didn't bother to do that. They just use the scorpion and the baby snakes and the rum to stop their pain.